MPhil, MLIC, MPhil, PhD. I welcome you, sir. I also welcome beloved Principal, Mysore School of Architecture, and NDLI Club Patron Professor Sapna Shivkumar for her continued support. Otherwise, not possible conducted this webinar. Welcome, ma'am. We welcome you, NDLI Club President and admins members, dear faculties, and all semester students. Thank you for registering for this webinar. Over to Dr. M.V. Uttarkar, sir. Please be, sir. Hello.
Thank you, madam. Am I audible?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
So,
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Respected principal, madam, and patron of the NDLI club, Dr. Sapna Shivkumar, madam, and respected librarian, madam, and secretary of the NDLI club, Professor Mamta Girish, madam. Thank you very much for inviting me as a resource person for the today's event. You have started your NDLI club in the last semester successfully. I congratulate to all the club members and the authorities for initiated the club, NDLI club in your institution. This unpredicted pandemic, COVID-19, is made a lot of difference in our daily life. So in this life, NDLI platform or NDLI is provided a lot of information to our user community to enhance their knowledge. Reading is something open our mind. So we don't restrict ourselves to read curriculum books only. Apart from this, we have to increase our reading interest to other interested areas also. It may help us to improve ourselves and also it improves our knowledge. So with the permission of the chair, I would start today's presentation.
Sir, please go ahead, sir.
Thank you. Madam, is the screen is visible? The presentation is visible?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. Now, today, this NDLI Club and NDLI Portal orientation program is organized by Mysore School of Architecture, Mysore. NDLI Club or NDLI Portal, it means one library, all of the India. It has 7 crore plus content in the portal and 400 plus, these contents are in 400 plus languages and 58 lakh registered plus 58 lakh registered users are there. More than 30,000 institutions are currently a member of this platform, and 347 resource contributors are linked with this portal. Now, let's I will introduce about the NDLI. NDLI and NERC, initiated by MHRD, Government of India, under the NMEICT project in the year 2015. And it is developed and designed by IIT Kharagpur. And the project is started in the year 2018 by Northeast Regional Center, Lakshminath Basbora Central Library of IIT Guwahati. As per Albert Einstein, the only thing that you absolutely have to know is the location of the library. If you know the location of library, then you can know everything. So as per the 5 laws of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan, he is a father of our library. All the libraries are stands on these 5 laws, and the NDLI is also stands and developed on these 5 laws. The NDLI vision is build up National Digital Library of India as a national knowledge asset. The key driving force for education, research, innovation, and knowledge economy in India. The mission of NDLI to create a 24/7 enabled integrated NDL as a ubiquitous digital knowledge source of the nation, catering to immersive learning for all learners at all levels in all areas, to initiate a movement for integrated digital learning across India. The major motto of NDLI is inclusive of everybody and open to all. These are the main feature of today's orientation program. Why NDLI required for us, how does NDLI work, and what kind of contents are available in this portal, and who is this for, and how to access NDLI portal, and what is the difference between Google and NDLI. Why NDLI? Anytime and anywhere access. We can access the resources provided by NDLI Club in any time, 24/7 we can access, and anywhere we can access. There is no restriction to access any platform or a IP-based access. It is open to all. And a single ubiquitous platform for providing equitable access to knowledge resources. It is one platform. All the informations are provided to all type of users in a single umbrella, and accessing same resources by multiple person at the same time. There is no limitation or there is no restriction to access these resources, and there is no problem the missing of any material. This can be happen in print media when and hidden. There is no problem of hidden of any material, and no matter of damages. Democratized education we can provide through this portal, and also we have actually, as per the NDLI authorities, in the last lockdown period due to a COVID-19 pandemic, more than 1 crore people have used this platform and taken the benefit of this platform. This much of beauty is included in this platform. So how does NDLI work? The NDLI is completely a mediator, act as a mediator. It stores the metadata in primary textual form information relating to any type of content. It includes information that enables users to identify, discover, search, browse, or interpret or manage any content. Includes hyperlinks that redirect users to content to the source. May include an expressive description of the content. The NDLI it is not in a new library. It provides all the contributor resources in one umbrella. It providing in the only one in a single platform. It collects and injects metadata only. It cannot store anything in their portal. Presents full text from source view. Provides by searching, if any user search the resources, then it redirects to the owner's page, or it is collecting information to the contributor website and providing to its users. And this is the one sample use module of NDLI platform. It collects all the resources, web contents from the institutional digital repositories and the web content, and also it collects the information or resources through educators, and it provides its end users, like any type of users or any age. There is no age limitation. There is no creed or religion or any sex bifurcation. Here the portal is having all the type of information is available. Totally 347 source contributor currently are joined their hands with NDLI Club. These are the sample logos. This is the major content statistics, subject-wise content available in NDLI portal. Computer science and information general works are available more than 1 crore 64 lakh and 60,295. Likewise, this is the statistics of major subjects are available in this portal. And in this range of contents are like this. It holds lecture slides, videos, class notes, coursewares, term paper, assignments, solutions, lab experiments, manuals, case studies, question papers like JEE, GATE, NET, CAT, and such any other competitive exam materials, faculty publications, and research publications, and thesis, books, periodicals, annual reports, project reports, such wise. Majorly, we bifurcate 5 type of access options are in this portal. One is open access. The open access symbol is like that, green color unlocked symbol they have provided. It shows whatever the searched materials you found, these all are open source. You can download fully. And second one is NDLI users. NDLI users means with these resources only you can access by logging in your NDLI portal or NDLI club. These may not be available for the open users. Not that means unregistered users. And the third option is limited access. It is limited access means part of text they have provided only a metadata or a link of the materials that are unsubscribed or not a part of this database. And subscribed. Fourth one is subscribed. Full text available from the institution that have subscribed to the sources. Example, we have subscribed V2E consortia resources. By the IP-based access, we can access these V2E consortia resources in NDLI platform also. And it is final last one, restricted access. In this, we cannot access some restricted materials. This is the statistics of access option wise content. Open source content is 5 crore 11 lakhs odd, and subscribed is 1 crore 64 lakhs. And NDLI users, that means subscribed by NDLI portal. What are the sources or resources subscribed by NDLI club? I will show you in the next slides. And limited access is 35 lakh 33,000 odd, and authorized access is 4 lakh 7,000 odd. More than 5 crore 18 lakhs resources are accessed by openly. Without, we can access this 72% of resources by freely in this portal. And this is the bifurcation or statistics of resource type. Articles are available around 3 crore 80 lakhs, and newspaper articles are around 74 lakhs. Books are 67 lakhs 92,000 books are available. Reports are 12 lakhs. Likewise, these are the statistics of resources. And next, who is this for? The NDLI portal is made for who? The NDLI platform is for all learners from school level to lifelong learners. It is school materials is also NCERT and CBSE and state board syllabus are available in this portal. College age materials are available, and professional level materials are available. Academics and research materials are available, and the information is available for edupreneurs and lifelong learners. The two types of access they are provided. The both the type of access are openly available. One is individual, that is registered directly, or institutional level that we have already the club we have created. That from that platform also we can access these resources. By requesting from institution also we can become a member, or managed by authorized authenticated nodal persons also we can become a member, or by using this NDLI club we can register bulk uploads also. Now we know about how to access NDLI platform. So both the media they are provided, Android or a mobile access also they are provided, and also desktop version. These are the landing pages of both the device accesses. This is the URL of NDLI portal, https ndl.iitkgp.ac.in, or we can open by typing https www.ndl.gov.in, or we can search by or we can open by using Google search also. This is the landing page of the NDLI portal. In the home page, left corner they have provided browse button. In the browse button we can search by type of the material. I will explain what type of materials are available in this portal, or subject wise we can search, or by source wise, or learning resources wise. And in the right side corner they have provided login link is created. Through this we can log into the portal and access the or enjoy the NDLI resources. And second one, languages. Totally 10 languages or plus 10 languages resources are available in this platform. And the third one, NDLI club login link is provided in the home page. And below of that, they have provided the search tab is given. Here we can search anything by whatever required information by typing here. And the bottom of the page, three type of categorized resources they are provided at study at home category, COVID-19 research repository, and future collections. Refined search by access restriction. Just I have taken the example of Java programming. When I search the keyword Java programming in the NDLI portal, I have found 26,863 results I have found. I can filter these resources by checking out the type of access restriction. It may be a subscribed, it may be open, it may be a limited or authorized or a NDLI resources. It helps us to filter or minimize the exact resources, required resources. This snap is showing refined search by source and author. That is the second filter they are given, author filter. Here I have taken the example of engineering mechanics. If I search engineering mechanics keyword, it shows 87 results. If I filter these resources by author, I can filter by using author key. If I search or if I restrict by using learning resources type, I can filter these also. And in the NDLI, in this portal, in the desktop portion, they have access restriction and content type. Access restriction already we have seen in the last screen. Here, right side, they have provided the type of content type. They have provided video type content, text, and animated images, audio, simulation. These type of content types are classified. If we required a video content, then if I click on video, then all the video content will appear in the search results. So this feature is provided in website version only. It is not provided in the mobile version. So next refined search is content type. Or video or text, if required, we can filter by this. And next one is by access restriction. The example is shown in PG Pathshala. And this example is shown educational level and access restriction. And this is shown UG level, which type of material or content we require, if VG and PG content, or with technical studies, or adult education, or 10 to 12 content. If required, we can filter by using educational level key level. If I filter by using subject category also, we can use, here is the sample, or we can filter by source also. The Shodhganga, all the Shodhganga database is shared with the NDLI platform. Whatever the resources are available in the Shodhganga, these all resources are found. You can found here. And another most important thing, we can find here the lab videos also, experimental videos also we can find here from class, from first standard to research level experiments videos are available in this platform. And video lectures are also available in this platform. JEE or any other competitive materials are available here. This is the bifurcation classification as per the subject category. Now, in the subject category, I have selected or taken a sample of computer science and engineering. Subclassification is like that. If you want to search by the branch or a subject, you can search through here. These are the sample images of subject-wise subject categories. And future content for college students. These people are also joined their hands with the NDLI portal. And in the bottom of the page, national licensed content, South Asian Archive and Word ebook library resources is subscribed by the NDLI Club. These resources are accessed by only logged into the portal. The NDLI registered people can only download these both publication resources. And for the school students, regional state board syllabus books also available here. These are the 10 state syllabus materials provided in this portal. Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and Tripura. Slowly, it is increasing its area. And future content for medical health sample here. 6 million plus resources are available related to medical and health. And world classical best sellers are included in this portal. all type of competitive examinations resource also provided in this platform. Publication-wise, publisher-wise resources also you can search. This is a sample showing the metadata of any resources searched by a user. And this is a sample showing the full text content open in the platform. This is a login page. If the material is under subscribed content, then it will ask to log into the portal. After logging in, it is the login page. After logging in, these are the filter options provided. Total 9 filter options they are provided, already explained in the last sheets. Language materials are provided in this platform. These are as Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Bengali, Assami, Oriya, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, Kannada, and English. And now we can know NDLI mobile app. We say the platform NDLI mobile platform is available in Android and iOS portal also, and also the NDLI app is added with the Umang app also. This is the landing page image showing here. You can search by using NDLI key in the Play Store. You can download this app and install it. And these are the features features are available in the NDLI mobile app. Right in the right corner, top corner, they have provided search button, and here is the search box. So here I have shown the example of financial accounting. If I search in the financial accounting subject, is the same 2,25,781 results are found. I can filter the same, all the filters are available. Whatever the filters are available in the desktop version, all the filters are available in the mobile version also. Just we have to check the filters and apply for the same. The filter result will appear in the mobile portal also. Now, some people thought that all the open resource contents are available in the Google search engine. Then why we have to use this NDLI platform? So NDLI people have just made one sample analysis for better perform in this in the NDLI portal. This example they have taken one student of high school and another one engineering student. If he searched in the Google platform of a keyword magnetism, searching magnetism, that is in the Google platform they have found 1,89,000 results are found. If the same keyword I searched in the NDLI portal, it's showing 11,16,675. If I filtered by educational level 5th to 8th, then I found only 8 results. If I filtered by using keyword career or technical paper, then it showed 219 results only. So this analysis showed that what type of exact content we will found in this platform. It saves the user's time. It proves that it saves the user's time. So this is the one small table they have provided, Google versus NDLI. And certain educational content are not available in the Google. It is provided in the NDLI portal. narrow down result using educational filter option is provided in the NDLI portal. It is not available in Google. And unified platform, it is a unified platform, and also national licensing content are available. And copyright issue, the NDLI portal is managed all copyright issue under the Act of 1957, amendment made in the year 2012. Now, type of, after a successful creating NDLI club, this type of minimum 10 events you should have to conduct in our club. Then only we are eligible for the next year certification. So what type of events we can conduct are listed here. Debate on topic based on the contents available in the NDLI website, and interclass competitions, write-on sessions based on the topic contents of which are available in the NDLI website, quiz based on IIT JEE questions and solutions available in the NDLI website, tutorials on common subjects taught in first year undergraduation courses with the suggested reading materials available in the NDLI website, publication of college newsletters, contributors or moderator subject reader, all students, a lecture series for students on topic contents of which are available in the NDLI website, training sessions on areas like how to write professional email, created impressive or CV or creating biodata, interviews, etiquette. Talk by a renowned professional on career approaches and opportunities. These are the supports provided by the NDLI portal to increase the users' interest or to boost up the users' usage. They're providing materials to conduct the training session on the NDLI, setting up of Google Forms and Sheets for registration of club and recording activities conducted, and guidance on NDLI contents and tips to conduct club activities, and providing some reward for top performer users. These rewards are given by the club to the participants, individual members, or it may be a club, or it may be a student. The rewards are like that. It giving a certificate. It may be a club certificate, or it may be a participant certificate, and plaque or memento, or visit to IIT Guwahati, or internship in NDLI. Now, this is the end of orientation of the NDLI platform. Now, I will show you after completion of one question is there, how to download our participation certificate in the platform, because the NDLI is created all the facilities to conduct event in their own platform. So we have to follow the procedure to conduct a event, or we can to register the event, or we can to download the certificate. All the things we have to do in the NDLI portal itself. So I will show you how to download the certificate by submitting your feedback form. So I will send you the link of feedback form in the chat box. By downloading this feedback form, this is the view of feedback form. You have to type your name here and rate your feedback, and convert it as a PDF form, and you have to submit this feedback form, a PDF feedback form in your portal by using your login credentials. After the evaluation of your feedback, you will get a certificate like this. This is a sample certificate. And this is the sample certificate of institution. If you require more help or guidance or support, then you can contact your librarian, Mamta Madam, or they will guide you. The feedback button is enabled after the 10 minutes of this completion of this event, because we have some small process in the portal to enable the feedback button. Thank you to all authorities of Mysore School of Architecture, NDLI club members, and Principal Mamta Madam. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. I now invite Rachel to propose a vote of thanks. Rachel?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. I'm Rachel from second year, and I would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to everyone present for the event today. Firstly, I would like to convey my gratitude to Mr. Uttarkar, the resource person, for all his guidance. I'm sure it was a great importance and all of us, and we will make sure to get the whole benefit out of the NDLI club. Also, my heartfelt thanks to our principal for encouraging this event and taking out her time and being present throughout. My special thanks to all the club members and our faculties present with us this evening, and to all my fellow students who are actively present, and with your help we could make this event a successful one. So thanks to each and everyone present here. Thank you.
Mamta, can I say something?
Yes, ma'am. Proceed,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Dr. Uttarkar, thanks a lot for making this presentation for our students and the whole faculty team. It was very helpful. Always, I mean, I used to see a lot of WhatsApp forwards talking about this initiative of IIT Kharagpur. There used to be links, and initially we did not know how we could be a part of it. Then our librarian, through all her sources, she found out what exactly the process was, and she made it happen. So it's a good kudos to her for that. One thing I want to tell the students is that today knowledge is out in the open, and it is our responsibility to sieve through and get to the right sources of information. When you were comparing Google with NDLI, one thought crossed my mind is at Google, not all the sources are verified. So you may get wrong information also. But with sources like NDLI, they are books and verified articles and, peer-reviewed articles and all that. So it's not that they will never get hold of wrong information. It will always be right information. And the way you told us, whatever the sieves that we can apply and get our search, narrowed down to what exactly we require, I think that is the need of the hour. When we have too much in front of us, we don't know what to consume. So your session has helped all of us understand how to exactly go through the process so that we achieve what we are looking for in a shorter period of time. And I think all the students should make use of this opportunity that the government of India, IIT Kharagpur, and everyone has tried to put it up for educationists like us and also students like you. We should make use of this platform that has been given to us. Once again, I thank Dr. Uttarkar, all students who have had the patience and the inquisitiveness to come and I really hope that everyone here who has attended this will make use of your presentation and make use of the facility that has been provided. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for giving opportunity to present something to your.
I also see that I'm assuming they are librarians from other schools, and colleges. Thank you to them also for attending this particular presentation. We will give the feedback. Is it open now? Can we click and give the feedbacks?
Yes, ma'am. Is it open? But PDF is there, sir. Ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
No. Thank you very much to all. Thank you, sir. Thank you.